Each member of a group will inevitably adopt some role or set of roles that allow them to influence the group's overall functioning. These roles can be placed into one of two categories, functional and dysfunctional. Understanding these roles can provide insight into group dynamics and inform strategies for improving group productivity and cohesion. The foundation for the following concepts lies in the work of Kenneth Benne and Benne Sheats. First, let's look at functional roles. Within this category, there are formal and informal roles. Formal roles are often referred to as task roles. Informal roles are also referred to as social roles. Task roles are primarily concerned with the group's objectives and the tasks required to achieve them. Some of these roles include 1. Initiator. The initiator proposes new ideas or solutions to help the group reach its objectives. In business, an initiator might suggest a new marketing strategy to increase sales. The initiator does not generally have all the nuances of their proposal completely figured out. Their purpose is simply to get the ball rolling. 2. Seeker. The seeker's role is to request clarification on any ambiguous points. They ensure that the group has all the necessary information or opinions needed to move forward. In a classroom discussion about a movie, a seeker might ask for clarification about a particular character's underlying motivations. 3. Giver. This person provides the required clarification, information, or opinion. In a research team, the giver might share findings from a recent study that informed the group's next steps. 4. Elaborator. The elaborator supplements what others have already said, adding depth and breadth to the discussion. In a brainstorming session, an elaborator might take a basic idea and suggest various ways it could be implemented. 5. Evaluator. The role of evaluator involves critiquing and assessing proposals to ensure they are feasible and beneficial. In a project team, the evaluator might assess the pros and cons of a proposed solution. Whenever possible, the evaluator should be someone other than the initiator. 6. Technician facilitator. This individual ensures that the group has all the resources it needs. They take care of a variety of discrete tasks, from scheduling meetings to providing technical support. In a film crew, for instance, the technician might be responsible for ensuring all equipment is functioning correctly. The truth is that hardly anything ever gets done without this person. Now let's talk about informal and social roles. While task roles focus on the group's objectives, group members regularly take on other roles that are more concerned with the group's interpersonal dynamics. These informal social roles are crucial for promoting group function and a positive group atmosphere. Some of these roles include 1. Encourager. This person offers support and agreement, fostering a positive environment. In a study group, the encourager might praise a member for well-thought-out analysis. 2. Harmonizer. The harmonizer helps mediate conflicts and ensures a balanced group dynamic. In a debate, they might help mediate between two members with opposing views. 3. Compromiser. This individual is willing to change their position to reduce conflict and maintain group cohesion. In a team project, a compromiser might suggest a middle ground solution to a divisive issue. 4. Gatekeeper. The gatekeeper ensures that all members have an equal opportunity to participate and may also influence who joins or leaves the group. In a group discussion, they might invite quieter members to share their thoughts. And 5. Observer. This role involves providing feedback, especially when the group needs to change direction. In a startup, an observer might suggest pivoting when they notice a strategy isn't working. So that's a short list of functional roles that includes task roles and social roles. Not all roles contribute positively to the group. Dysfunctional roles can hinder progress and create a negative atmosphere. The 4 main dysfunctional roles are 1. Aggressor. This person tends to make personal attacks. They tend to accuse or belittle others and create a hostile environment within the group. In a team meeting, an aggressor might insult a colleague's idea without offering constructive feedback. Aggressive behaviors are sometimes confused with assertive behaviors. An assertive communicator will express their needs or opinions directly and, if necessary, forcefully, without verbally attacking another person. 2. Blocker. The blocker opposes ideas excessively, often causing the group to stall. In a planning committee, they might constantly shoot down every proposal without suggesting alternatives. This is different from someone who takes on the role of gatekeeper or evaluator. A gatekeeper may block one person from speaking in order to allow a quieter member the opportunity to contribute. An evaluator may block an idea that someone else is trying to push through, an idea that isn't properly vetted. 3. Recognition seeker. This individual craves attention, often bragging or telling irrelevant stories. In a group presentation, they may spend excessive time talking about their achievements. This individual may also try to influence the group structure or modify the task at hand to better suit their recognition needs. Be careful when applying this label to someone. There is nothing wrong with a person using personal anecdotes to inform a project the group is working on. However, recognition seekers spend an excessive amount of time focused on themselves rather than on the group's task. And 4. Disruptor. The disruptor distracts others, often at inappropriate times, hindering the group's progress. They might crack jokes during a serious discussion. They might take on the role of blocker or recognition seeker at different times. Interestingly, disruptors may or may not realize they are being disruptive. People who are intentionally disruptive can be especially problematic for task groups. By recognizing and addressing negative roles and fostering positive ones, groups can work more cohesively and efficiently towards their shared goals. Thanks for listening.